Assalamu alaikum everyone, and today lesson we will talk about the branches of biology, and in this video we will talk about the sub branches of biology because we have studied the main branches of biology in the previous lecture, and this lecture we will talk about the sub branches of biology, and mainly we will talk about the first sub branch of the biology, which is the morphology. Okay, branches of biology, what does it mean? So the subjects studied under the scope of biology are called branches of biology. वो सब्जेक्ट्स जो बियोलॉजी के अंडर में या बियोलॉजी के स्कोप में पढ़े जाते हैं वो हमारे साथ क्या होते हैं, ब्रांचेस ऑफ बियोलॉजी होते हैं. ठीक है, सो बेसिकली वी हैव द सब ब्रांचेस ऑफ बियोलॉजी. Okay, first of all we will talk about morphology. What is morphology? What does it mean by morphology? First of all we will talk about the meaning of the morphology. For example, if you want to attempt this slide question, or if you want to write about morphology, so you have to follow this pattern. First of all, you have to write the meaning. First of all, write the morphology, give the headline, okay, and after that write meaning, and the third headline will be the definition of the morphology. Okay, first of all, meaning. Morph means shape and logy means study. So basically it consists of two words, morph, which means shape, and logy means study. So it is the meaning of the morphology. And the definition: this branch of biology in which we study about the external shape of and structure of living organisms. So basically we study two things about living organism and morphology. The first one is the external shape of the organism. क्योंकि हम क्या करते हैं, एक्सटर्नल जो शेप होता है कोई ऑर्गेनिज्म हो, हाँ वो प्लांट्स हो या एनिमल्स हो, ठीक है, या माइक्रो ऑर्गेनिज्म, उसका जो एक्सटर्नल शेप होता है, ठीक है, वो उसको हम फॉर्म बोलते हैं. ठीक है, तो वो हम इसमें स्टडी करते हैं. और दूसरी बात, स्ट्रक्चर उसका हम स्टडी करते हैं लिविंग ऑर्गेनिज्म का. तो मॉर्फोलॉजी में हम दो चीजें देखते हैं लिविंग ऑर्गेनिज्म के, एक्सटर्नल जो फॉर्म होता है, एक्सटर्नल शेप होता है, और साथ में उसका जो स्ट्रक्चर होता है. ठीक है, तो उसका स्ट्रक्चर किस तरह से है, ठीक है, उसकी साख्त किस तरह से बना हुआ है. ठीक है, तो ये हम क्या करते हैं, मॉर्फोलॉजी में स्टडी करते हैं. ठीक है, सो दिस इज अबाउट द फर्स्ट sub branch of the biology, which is morphology. Okay, there are many sub branches of the biology, which are the anatomy, and planetology, embryology, cell biology, etc. So we will talk about and we will learn all those branches stepwise. So stay connected, and if you are new to my YouTube channel, do subscribe to my YouTube channel. Check the red button below and click the red subscribe button. After that you will get a notification bell icon, so also click on that bell icon, because whenever I upload a new video I will send you a message and you will be able to watch it at your own place. So for today it's enough, and next video we will talk about another branches of the biology. So stay connected, take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz, Allah Nigehban.